everyone, thank you so much for joining me. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to do this gorgeous hairdo. I'd say it's quite like a 90s with maybe a blend of a 70s kind of fringe action going on here. I've used the most excellent GHD glide. Hello! I remember the first time I used this, I literally gawked. I was like, I was speechless. I was speechless. And it takes a lot to get me excited. Well, maybe not excited, but speechless. A lot. Let's get to it. And if you love all things beauty, well, bloody welcome. And everything's unfiltered here. Everything is very much real. So join me on this journey. And yeah, let's go back to the beginning and you can see how I transformed this little wigga. Oh hi, I'm just gonna get out my GHD glide. I'm gonna turn you on, baby. And while I do that and wait for it to heat up, I'm gonna just untie my little wig. So I washed my hair earlier. This is it, air dried. I'm just gonna show you. And we're going to transform and style this bad boy. So earlier on I washed my hair with the JVN embody range, I believe. It's the green range. Popped, I just did a double shampoo actually, then I popped my K18 hair treatment in, and then once that was done marinading, I went in with the JVN complete recovery serum. No, instant recovery. Instant, no, boop, take 5. Complete instant recovery serum. There we go, I said it in plain old English. And that's got fab heat protectant in it as well. So at this stage, I am just going to give this a little brush. I started from the bottom, now I go to the top, yeah. You always must brush your hair this way, because if you just start at the top you're gonna just get all those knots. You're not gonna get far. Do you see what I did there? Okay. Did you hear that? So the light changes from flashing to a solid white LED once it's at temperature. Anyway, I don't know if I said, but I'm just gonna repeat myself if I have. So sorry about that. This also contains heat protectant in, which I love. So I am just going to split. Oh, ow, ow, the joys of fine hair. It looks smooth, but it's not. So I'm gonna sectione my hair. So I'm going from where that temple to dips. Sorry, I've been in Yorkshire. And I've just picked up the accent. Eee! That's what they all say. Eee! What you up to? Anyway, GHD glide. I don't think I've used it on YouTube yet. I've used it on TikTok quite a few times. Are you ready to see how smashing this is? So I go underneath and I like to pull it up for a bit of volume. Look, the hair is very hot. Look at that. One swipe. What the blinking hell? Do you know what I forgot to do? I wanted to put hairspray in it. Sorry, Magnus is right. He's there. He's gonna run away in a minute. Okay. His ears are flinching. He's like, what are you doing, woman? I like to go on the top. So I'm using hairspray to give it a bit of old. So I start. But look. And obviously you can do a little, if you want a little hair tuck or a curl, you can style very easy. Let's try do the top section first. But yeah, you really got to make sure you've brushed your hair before doing this because you don't want your hair to get stuck. I mean, seconds. Your hair is transformed in seconds, and it's great if you've got hair like mine. It's fine. It doesn't know what it's doing. It doesn't want to comply. You want quick styling. I mean, ding-a-ling, ding-dong. I know Val, well, funny story about Val Garland, if you didn't know. She started out as a hairdresser, so I was going to say ding-dong that Val. So it's still valid. Ha! On the Val puns. Sorry about that, Val. What can I say? You got me excited. Oh, look at that. I'm just going to check it in the mirror. Damn! That looks so good. And I've got so many kind of flyaway bits where my hair is growing. See all these like baby hairs, like, so I mean it's good that it's growing, but it's annoying, but it's equally falling out a lot at the moment as well. What I really want to do is have an appointment with Philip Kingsley, not gonna lie, but I need to save up for that really, so there we go. Gonna so I'm just gonna do it quite straight, to be honest. So let me know if you want to see another video of it a bit more styled, but this is so good for like in the morning, or you're going out, which I am shortly, and you just need a quick zhuzhy zhuzh, you know, and it gives you that nice sleek kind of blowout look without the effort and stress if you find blow drying difficult. It's quite a good tool actually for anyone with potential mobility issues. It's not too heavy, it's quite grippable, easy to sort of press and stuff, and it holds the hair quite nicely. So yeah, this could be a good option, yeah, for anyone with mobility issues, for sure. Just pass it like, you know, at a, not a slow rate, but quite a steady one. I just started at the back, so I know what's been done and what hasn't been done. I need to get a better, like, a backup hair setup, you know what I mean? But if you've got thicker hair than me, do more sections. I've got like no hair. Well, obviously I do have hair, but I don't have a lot of it. So that's why I don't need to do that many sections with it. So I've changed my technique a bit purely because I'm trying to mimic more of a blow dry. So I'm trying to take all the top section first to get a little bit of that volume. It's hot. Are you seeing this? Wipe your glasses, wipe your telly, wipe your iPhones. Oh, someone's screaming outside. They clearly wiped and they saw and they were impressed. They're like, bloody Nora, that is a freaking amazing. I mean, gotta love it. Gotta love it. So I'm just doing a bit of a, actually, just gonna take it all the way back to give it that real kind of 70s moment, just to kind of get that nice cheekbone chisel. As a cheekbone chisel, purchase. But what do you think? Look, it's just so freaking easy. I love it. Let me know in the comments if you have tried this, because it's literally, it's simply the best. Do you know what? I've not tried, she says, a GHD hair tool. That's disappointed me. I think these are great for like on set as well, if you need a really super sleek, quick, because I guess the surface area is a little bit bigger than a, well, obviously not as big as the wide plate, but if you've got a regular straightener. I just like anything that's easy. I mean, you know me by now. I love doing my hair. And if you don't know me, go back and watch some more videos. I've got a whole playlist kind of full of different techniques. Like, I love to play with hot hair. And yeah, please use heat protectant on your hair, because it really does work and it really does make a hard difference. Okay, let's do La Frange. Whoop! The sound effects are for free, so please enjoy. Oh, that was better than the other one. So just holding it for as long as I can. Oh. If I just sort of hold it there for a minute, that'll cool down like that as well. It's like a fake frange. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Right, I'm just gonna have a feel. Oh yeah, she's got everything. There's no lumps and bumps going on here. Why won't this side? There's always one side that's better than the other, isn't there? Why the L is that? Why the L is that? Lord knows. It's like, what did I do differently? Nothing. Nothing, I tell ya. Darling, I told ya. Maybe if I try it with the left hand, let's try that. Sorry if you've all gone to sleep now. The night, reading you a bedtime story. Then Lisa's French just fell out because she tried to do it so many times. That'll do. That'll bloody do. But yeah, literally, look at my hair, it's molting. Come on, zoom. There we go, look at that. What's that about? It's not good, is it? What's going on? What's going on? I have had a stressful few months. I've gone fully freelance now. No more toxic twatty boss. Just switched it off. I think it does have an auto. Oops, sorry, Magnus just hit the doodah, the camera. But look how gorgeous that is. Obsessed. Obsessed. Obsessed! Can I say obsessed anymore? No, I can't. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I always love playing with a blinking hair tool. If there's any hair tools that you think, like, Lisa, you would love that, drop it in the comments below, because I'd love to know what I've been sleeping on, because that's not cute. That's not cute. Hit subscribe, follow me on TikTok and Instagram for other regular content, and I'll catch you next Sunday. Booyah!